Hi everybody, it's Miss Tenpenny. I know that some of you guys were having a hard time figuring out how to join me for the live art class on Google Meet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I've done an incognito browser page right here, so it looks a little different than yours, but I'm doing this so that I can show you exactly how you will log in. My other pages are already logged in. So in the search bar, you're going to go to the website meet.google.com and just press enter. Once you get here, it says you're not logged in with an account. Yours might actually be logged in to your PSD kind of Google account. So if you don't see where it says sign in and you don't see where it says you're not logged in, then you're good to go. You can skip this step. But I am not logged in right now, so I'm going to click on sign in. And it's taking me to this page where I need to put in my PSD email. Now this might be where you get confused. Your PSD email is your lunch number at psdschools.org. So mine is not that, mine's my name. So I have to put in R10penny at psdschools, schools.org. Your lunch number, that set of 6 numbers, should be here. If you have gotten onto Google Classroom before, then you already know how to do this. Use that Google sign in. If you have gotten onto Microsoft Teams to meet up with your class, then that's the same sign in, the same email that you're going to use here as well. So I'm going to press next. It might take me to another page, and it does. It knows I'm part of PSD, so it's asking me to put my email address in again. Okay, once I do that, then you enter the password that you've created. You should have already done this. This is the step I'm a little confused about. If you haven't created a password, I would have to ask your teacher or Mrs. Gallahan, our media tech person, to help me figure that out for you. But you should already have a password. So I've entered mine. I'm going to sign in. And then it takes me, I don't want you to keep me signed in. I'm going to say no. Then it takes me to this page, back to meet.google.com. And this looks different. Now it says join or start a meeting and nothing scheduled today. It doesn't tell me that I need to log in. Also, look, my picture's in the corner. If you are signed in, then your initials might be in the corner up there. Or if you've uploaded a picture, it'll show up. So I'm going to click join or start a meeting. For our live art classes every Wednesday, we will always use the code or nickname, whatever you want to call it, Laurel Art. You can actually type this all in as one word. You can capitalize it. You don't have to. It will all take you to the same place, and click continue. Once you get here, you're going to need to allow Google Meet to use your camera and microphone. So click allow right here so that it can show me your image and you can log in. That'll go away. And look, it's me. So now I need to click join now. I'm not in the conference yet. I'm going to click join now. And I'm the only one here. So this showed up so I could add people. You could actually call in, but don't worry about that. You're not going to see that because other people will be there already. If I'm on this site and I need to do some different things, then I need to move my mouse around so I can see stuff. When you log into Laurel's live art class with me, right here, there's a little microphone. If you click it, then your microphone goes off. You will not be able to speak and I will not be able to hear you. Look, it's even showing me that it's off. If I click it again, turns it back on. Right here ends the call. Right here, I could turn off my camera, but you can still hear me. But I want my camera on so that you guys can see me. Up here, I can click on those little people and it shows me who is in the conference. If I click on that again, nothing happens. If I click on chat right here, then I can see what everybody writes to me or what you might write to each other. Try to stay focused on what we're doing in the art class and not just chat in the sidebar, but it's all optional, so we can have some fun together. So if I typed in something like, hi, everybody. Ooh. Ah, look at me making mistakes. I just press enter and then it would show up what I've said. So if you cannot get this to work for you, please email me and I will do some investigating and we will try to figure it out. If you have any other questions, please email me. My email can be found on the Laurel's Encore page. I will show you what that looks like too. I have it bookmarked. This right here is the Laurel Encore website. You can see all of your favorite teachers' faces. Oh, look at us. My email is right here on the front, and if I click on it, hopefully if you click on it, then it'll bring that up and it'll be ready to write an email to me. If that does not work, then just type in my email address in your email, wherever you're going to send it. So r10penny@psdschools.org. If you have questions, please let me know. I want to hear what you need help with, okay? Have a great day, and I hope to see you next Wednesday at 1 p.m. for our next live art class. Goodbye.